I was riding with a friend to the airport early on a Sunday morning. Less than 2 weeks prior to that, had cervical surgery. I was wearing a collar. It was the only reason that my surgeon agreed to let me go. And a woman behind us, about 4 or 5 cars behind us, kind of lost control, and she hit a number of cars and rear-ended us. I then re-injured the surgery that had just been done. There are numerous cars involved, and I was a passenger and not the driver, and it wasn't my car. And I was scared because after you just complete that type of a surgery, you don't want to do it all over again. As soon as we were hit the first time, I said, "Oh, my neck, oh, my neck," and I reached up for my neck, and that's what happened the second time. Then we were hit again. Insurance companies started to call me saying, "Is everything okay?" I just got really nervous about giving them any information because, my surgeon said, "Let's hold off on this and see what happens." It almost seemed to me like they were calling to cover for themselves, to see if they could maybe resolve this by having me say everything's going to be fine and don't worry about it. Everything wasn't fine, and I was worried about it. I found Boesen as a referral from another attorney that I knew, and I always think that if you get a referral from an attorney that you know and trust and like, that's a pretty good place to start. Otherwise, I wouldn't have the foggiest idea. I didn't know what to do, and so I came in carrying this bundle of papers, and I said, "Please help me, this is what's going on." There was an immediate sense of comfort. It was like they just took care of me like a mother takes care of a child. I didn't want to go to court. I'm not a litigious person. I don't, but I learned that there's a time and a place and a reason for these types of legal processes, and I felt like I was being handled by the best. Having an attorney who is experienced is just crucial to the success. Otherwise, you're working on luck. And clearly, Boesen Law has that experience, and I always recommend Boesen Law to everybody and anybody that I find that needs help. The preparation that they provided to me during each step along the way was really, really beyond helpful. I don't even know how to describe that, so I'm very thankful for that. Feels like a family. I feel like I belong.